Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. I wanted to keep this video super quick and short because there's a new thing that Uber's doing that a lot of drivers don't know about. So if you recently signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, there is a way to retroactively apply a referral code in order to get your sign up guarantee of up to, it could be $500, $700, $1,000. I've even seen it up to like $1,500. So if you signed up for Uber with no referral code, then I'm gonna leave instructions down below. Just check out the instructions down below. There will be step-by-step, I think it's like 7 steps to apply a referral code to your account, and you could get money instantly if you already did the rides. But what I do think, and again, Uber's not super clear on this. Lyft is more clear, but Uber is not super clear. They, but from what I think is that, by the way, it's, as of now, it's the end of July. This program was on pause for the past 4 months. So there's no way you could have signed up with a referral code, or if you did, it didn't count. So that's because of coronavirus. They paused the program due to COVID-19. You know, they said we're no longer actively seeking any new drivers. But what I do know is that now you can. They did bring it back. And what I do think is that you have like 30 days or 90 days to, you know, apply a code to your account once you sign up. So if you did forget, it's okay. I mean, but actually you couldn't really have forgotten because there was really no code to use, if that makes any sense. So if you signed up, you know, within the past 30 days, 90 days, whatever, you can try at least to apply a code. And if you haven't finished, you know, your initial rides yet, usually it's like, you know, complete 100 rides within your first 90 days, whatever, or complete 50 rides within your first 30 days. If you haven't completed those yet, you will be able to apply the code in order to get your referral promo of up to, you know, $1,000, whatever it is for your state market. Could be different, honestly, it could be $0. It could be a lot of money. It just depends where you live and how many drivers they need. And again, this is all up in the air, but I do know that it is active in some markets. So it doesn't hurt to try at all. It doesn't really hurt to try at all. But at the same time, you know, it could only be $100. It could only be $200. I know some people though have gotten a lot more. So with that being said, again, I'm gonna leave the instructions down below. I just wanted to make this quick update with you guys. And yeah, oh yeah, by the way, if you have, I know I have gotten a few comments about this. If you already hit your, you know, your initial offering, let's say it was 100 rides in 60 days, for example, for $1,000 guaranteed. If you already hit the 100 rides, it's too late. I'm pretty sure. Again, Uber is not like, you know, there's no like, I don't know, there's no pay. I don't even think there's a page on the Uber website that shows all the terms. This is like, it's kind of like a guessing game for us. We do know that it's active, but from what I understand is I haven't heard anybody, I knew they used to do this in the past. Actually, you know what, I take that back. I went into the Uber hub and I talked to somebody who worked there, and he said that in the past they used to do, you know, if you signed up with no code 2 years ago, you could apply a code and get the money. But now you have to do it with, you have to catch, you know, yourself before you hit before you complete the initial term. So I hope this is making sense, but let's say, for example, it's complete 100 rides within 60 days and then get $500. So if you're at 99 rides and you apply the code, you're good to go. But if you already hit the 100 rides, it's too late. They're like, sorry, you already, because you keep in mind for Uber, the point of the referral code is to give you an incentive to complete the ride. So if you already completed the rides, they're like, well, you already completed the rides. We don't need to give you an incentive anymore. But as long as you apply the code before you hit that, just so everybody knows, you know, I don't want people saying, oh, I tried to apply, you know, I signed up 2 years ago and they denied me. Dylan, you're a liar. I just want to say, like, I don't know the full amount, like the full details, but this is what I do know, is that you need to apply the code before you do it. Obviously, if you haven't signed up yet, I'll leave a link down below too. If you're a brand new driver, great. I have a code both for Uber and for Lyft if you want to sign up. But regardless, this is what I do know. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and have a great day. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye, guys.